Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Honda Goldwing with 33,413 miles has been upgraded with a Roadsmith TRIKE kit, as well as LED accent lighted chrome trim, an ultimate seat, luggage rack, and passenger armrests. This imposing bike takes everything you love about a Goldwing and adds a third wheel for a stable and smooth riding platform. It runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. From the factory, the Goldwing is well equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, heated grips, and reverse gear. With an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine that puts out 116 horsepower and an impressive 123 foot-pounds of torque. This Goldwing TRIKE is a capable touring vehicle. It offers spacious storage, comfortable accommodations, and a unique look all of its own. Our technician did note that while this bike is equipped with heated grips, they do not function with the aftermarket seat installed. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.